Have you ever wanted to make money with affiliate marketing but you aren't sure where to start? Well, I have just the thing for you. Pinterest is a great place for all things affiliate marketing as well as content marketing. You can passively grow affiliate income using Pinterest, and today I'm going to show you how. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather Ferris. If you are new here, this channel is all about Pinterest marketing and helping you grow your YouTube channel, your blog, your website, whatever it is, using Pinterest marketing. Today's tip is all about affiliate marketing, and it comes from someone in my private Facebook community, Pinterest Marketing Strategies. So if you're not in the group, definitely join. There's a link below. If you haven't subscribed, do that too, because every week I release new Pinterest marketing videos. So this week we're talking all about Pinterest marketing for affiliates. Let's dive right in. So there are a few things that you want to know before you even get started. And today's video is actually going to be two-part. I'm going to talk a little bit about the things that you need to know, and then I'm going to dive into a tutorial and show you what I'm talking about. All right? So let's do it. So the first thing that you need to know is you may not use Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. I don't care who tells you that you can. You will get your affiliate account shut down, and that is the last thing that you want to do. Because they can actually hold any and all commissions that you have made up to that point and not pay them out if you violate their terms. Do not do that. No Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. Number two, you want to disclose that your links are affiliates. It's just like any other platform where you're using affiliate links. You have to disclose your relationship with the affiliate, and you can do that by simply putting a hashtag at the end that says affiliate link, or a simple statement saying, this is my affiliate link. I may make a small commission. I know that's going to eat into a little bit of your description, but it's the law and you have to do it. Tip number 3 is to use the 80-20 mix. Do not go overboard with pinning affiliate links on Pinterest. Don't create an account and only pin affiliate content. Make sure you're pinning other high-value content related to your topic or related to the topic on which you're pinning the affiliate products, as well as the affiliate links. So I like to run by the 80-20 rule, 80% value, 20% paid offers. I do this with my email marketing as well as my sales, like just selling in general. 80-20. 80% value, 20% selling. Okay? Tip number 4 is it's a bit of strategy. It's to create posts or videos related to the affiliate product. And we do this with our travel blog, and we do it with our travel YouTube channel, as well as on my Heather Ferris site that reviews the product in detail, as well as gives the reader or the viewer a way to use it and all of the things that are involved with the product, such as this post I created recently with lead pages. I've started generating an actual income from lead pages every month because I wrote a post about lead pages, the landing page software, and I made pins for it. So not only do I have pins going to my affiliate links, but I have pins going to that post. And now I have high value content that I can send readers to, or I can send them straight to the affiliate link on lead pages and let lead pages do the work. Okay, so one or two ways that you can do this is by creating like list posts or how-to videos, how-to blog posts, and outline the affiliate product that you want to showcase. Tip number 5, before we jump into our tutorial, is an important one. You cannot use link shorteners on Pinterest. You have to use the ugly link that your affiliate gives you. You may not use Bitly's, you may not use pretty links, Google links, anything like that. You have to use the really long, ugly links. So remember, no Amazon links, you must disclose, and you may not use pretty links. And then other than that, it's just don't go overboard and create high value content for your readers that aren't just a pin to an affiliate link. All right? Give them a reason why they should buy the affiliate product. So that's it for the tips. We are going to jump into the actual tutorial I have for you. So in this tutorial, I've created 2 different Pinterest images to 2 different affiliate products, and these are showcased around my travel blog, so it's going to look a little bit different than the Heather Ferris stuff that you normally see. if you've been to that website. So let's dive right in. Okay, here we are in today's tutorial. So I'm going to walk you through the steps that I take to actually create the description, which I've already pre-written, the images, which I've already pre-made. So we're just literally going to dive right in. And I'm going to show you what this looks like when you put it on the platform. So first off, let me just jump into my boards and show you what a high value post looks like that is reviewing an affiliate product. So this pin right here is actually a post that I wrote about the affiliate that I'm actually going to create a pin for. It's called Harvest Hosts. And then this is another pin that goes to that blog post, the best, how to find the best free RV camping. So those are two different options that you can see there. And I just pinned these within the last 24 hours or so. And then this is another post that outlines affiliate products. It's Christmas gifts for full-time RVers. Now these are Amazon affiliate links, so I'm only creating a blog post for this and creating Pinterest images for it. And that is about all I'm going to show you for right now. So those are examples of how to create high value content. And if you're interested in seeing those, I can leave the Pinterest links in the description below. But let's just dive in. So I have the images downloaded on my computer. So I actually just need to open the file and let's close that. We're going to put them in here in our pin builder. So this is number 1. And then we have another one, number 2. Okay. Now I need to jump into my affiliate link sheet. If you don't use a spreadsheet or anything like this to track your affiliate links and lead magnets, all of that stuff, you definitely should. Okay, so here's my really ugly link. All right, harvesthosts. Whatever. And then I need to give this a title and a description. But first I want to go get the other referral link. It's going to be our Trip Wizard and the ugly link. All right. So I've also pre-written my descriptions. So you want to create really high value descriptions that give lots of detail, but also have really good keywords. So in here, I'm going to type in how to camp for free at wineries and golf courses. Okay, so I have a title. Camp for free is a keyword that I'm trying to target. And then I have that in the description as well as my link. And then here I need to give this one. So the keyword that I want to target is actually best planning apps, I think. Let's look it up. You're going to get a quick tutorial in SEO. Oh, you can see that I rank for free, or I rank at the top of this search for best RV apps, which is fantastic. Let's do best RV travel planning apps. That's a pretty long tail keyword. All right, we're gonna pop that over here in our title and adjust it. Okay, and then I just need to grab the description that I've pre-written. And you can see that I'm 62 over. So I'm just gonna delete this sentence here. Okay, perfectly, zero left. And I have my keywords and my hashtags in there. I have my link, and that's it. So what you're gonna do now is actually pin this to the most appropriate board that you have first. So it's going to probably be like travel planning. Ooh, actually, boondocking would be better. Boondocking tips for this one, and travel planning for the next one. I don't know if I actually own that one, so let's do budget travel tips. Publish, and now you have your 2 pins, or however many you're going to do, but I have 2 pins now that are going to affiliate links. So I'm actually going to go look at them in the feed, and I'll show you how you can know that they are affiliate links and they don't belong to you. They do belong to you. It's just they don't belong to your website that you have claimed. Like this one says Wheeling to Dream, but if you hover over this, it says Harvest Hosts and RV Trip Wizard. So you can tell that those 2 don't actually go to my site if someone were to hover over them. And then anything that you actually pin to Pinterest that is not from your claimed domain where you have rich pins turned on, it will not be a rich pin. So it's going to lack some of the data that's normally on rich pins. So that's it. That is affiliate marketing on Pinterest in a nutshell. So what I want you to do is to sit down and brainstorm the different ways that you can actually create affiliate pins to put on Pinterest. Think about the companies that you can write posts about. If you don't want to write posts, maybe you can create videos. Some of the most popular affiliate networks that I use are Flex Offers, Share a Sale, Rakuten, CJ Affiliates, and yep, that's about it. Amazon, you have to create content on your website for and then pin it. And then just a few ideas for affiliate links for you before I go. If you are like a food blogger or like a DIY or like an RV blogger like we are, then definitely create pins for tools or things that you use all the time. You can also get links for furniture, cookware, baby products, fashion, makeup. I just like pretty much anything that you can buy in the store, you can probably find an affiliate link for, as well as if you're in the business industry, you can do books, courses, software, things like that. So these 2 pin examples that I gave you were like apps essentially that I will earn a commission on. So they're actual phone apps that are travel planning in nature. So these are tools of my trade for RVing that I can now put on the platform and earn a commission on just by using Pinterest. So use my best practices when it comes to actually sending this out into the world after you've put it on Pinterest. So if you need any tips on that, grab my Pinterest strategy guide. I'll put the link in the description below. It's a free opt-in that you can grab, and you can follow it to create the content all the way to marketing it and figuring out what your analytics are and if it's working. So definitely grab the Pinterest strategy guide. If you guys have any questions or suggestions for videos, please let me know in the comments below. If you liked this video, please hit subscribe and give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out, and I will see you next week.